Hey Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is my first Boxy Charm box unboxing. So if you want to see the products that I got, know how I feel about them, just keep on watching. It's Boxy Charm Day. This is actually my first Boxy Charm box. I thought about signing up before, but I was already with Ipsy, and then, like, I don't know, I've been curious about Boxy Charm. I've heard things that, so they sent over this month's box, and this month's box is status O. So in the box there are 5 products: Phase Zero Makeup, the Necessity Eyeshadow Palette, which I will be creating a little look with. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, which I've been using lately. Eloise Beauty Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. They're gorgeous. Beauty for Certain Whole Lot of Mascara. And Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic X Lash Enhancer. I don't know if I'm going to use this right now. I might try to insert a clip of using it. But yeah, so let me just jump into the look. So the Phase Zero eyeshadow palette retails for $40. And it's very neutral, so that's very out of my comfort zone. I'm going to use the brushes from Eloise. The handles are so cute. I love them. Alright, I'm going to take this one. There's no name on it, but it's like this. And I'm going to take this, this shade here. My lid's already primed. And I'm just going to do like a super quick little something. So I'm going to take it and pack it into the crease and onto the lid ever so slightly. And I'm going to do the same thing over here, leaving a little bit towards that inner corner of my eye. Just how it is, because I'm going to blend it out. But I want it to look like it's giving the center of my eye a little hug. Because I'm just going to do like a quick little spotlight eye. And I'm going to take this kind of bronzy shade right here and blend that out with the same brush I just cleaned it off. I'm just gonna pat it, baby pats. Then I'm gonna take this brush and go into this shade right here and just diffuse them. I'm going to take this shimmer right here with my finger and just apply it right down the center of the lid. And I'm just taking some of that first shade, patting it along the edges to make it look like it's giving it a little hug. Like that. So I'm going to go do this other eye real quick and come back and use the other products. Alright, so I'm just going to take this mascara and put it on. Hello, this is my sir. My kitty wants in my chair with me. Normally when I'm not filming, I'll scoot my chair back and let him get up here in my lap and we'll do makeup together. But when I'm filming, I need to be kind of close up here. Okay, this is the look that I come up with. I like it. I like it. As far as neutrals go. I'm not a very neutral girl, so it was kind of fun to like make myself get out of my comfort zone. I love the brushes. I love the moisturizer. I know I didn't really use it, but I can't necessarily move my camera into my bathroom for skincare things, so yeah. But the lash serum, this stuff, I'm gonna use it and give it a go and see how it works. The packaging is really nice. I feel like the products all around are really nice, and I'm pretty impressed. And I love the mascara so much. So yeah, I don't know how to like really do in this video. Like, okay, I do want to talk about the mascara though. Like, her lashes look kind of cute. Like, I don't know. I'm being weird. But yeah, I don't really know how to end this video. I'm going to try to get myself in the swing of doing these every month. So let me know if you're interested more. For my first BoxyCharm box, I think I like it. I will have my affiliate code linked down below since this was gifted to me. It's not, I wasn't really like required to make a video. I just wanted to. I figured it'd be fun to kind of like more so put out more than one video a week, and I'm just trying to play around with the format of these. So I'm gonna try my best to like maybe change my setup and stuff to where I can like do skincare in here if I get skincare products, stuff like that. That way I can include everything. But without rambling too much, I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below. And if you want to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I have all my social media links in the description box down below. And if you want to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!